Hi friends, how are you doing? This is another set. I believe you have already understood this is a 582. This has come to me for the restoration. I have already opened the back cover and I just want to show you this is how it is right now. Here is the lock, but this lock is here, but there should be another two locks. There are no lock here. The rubber pulley is actually, it should be fixed here. Instead of that, it is falling here. So condition is not very good. You can see this one is also not fixed properly. So lot of things need to do. This particular set is having the cartridge. I have kept it somewhere else because right now I do not need the cartridge. First of all, I have to make the set in a condition where it could be properly playable. Then I will fix the cartridge. This is the video of the inside of this record player 582. As you can see, this spring is not original. However, I have to check the tension whether it is correct or not. And another thing, let me check. I got this one in my hand. This is actually the heat sink, so I need to check. No heat sinks are there. If you just see here, no heat sinks are there, so it is not a very good news for this amplifier. And the condition of the amplifier is also not very good. I have to first clean it, and then I have to replace all these electrolytic capacitors and the polarized capacitors. Then I will check the other one. Another thing I just want to show you, this one is also not working, and due to this, what will happen, you will never be able to play this set in proper RPM because the rubber pulley will not come in contact with the step pulley in proper manner because the mechanism will not work properly. So let me check one by one. You can see now that I have fixed the motor. This set is having AC motor. What actually was happened, I am telling you, as because earlier there was no washer, these clips are added without washer. So what happens, due to the weight, these clips gone down and actually the motor goes inside of this deck. So that was the problem earlier happened. I have cleaned the motor, lubricated it. At the same time, I have fixed this motor once again with these washers. So what will happen now, these clips are on the washer, so due to the weight, this motor will not go down because the clip is locked with the washer. So this is what I have done now. So the motor unit is okay, and now I have to check for the other things like this one. There are issue with this one, so I have to check this particular spindle, and the tension is also very high due to that spring. So I have to check that once again. If you check this one, there is a part which is missing. Missing means broken. There should be something, an extended plastic body here, like this one, like this one. This one is broken, and there should be one small spindle which actually locks this one with this particular point. As because this is broken, that spindle may be gone away, and this is why this is the plate where the rubber pulley fixes itself. And if this is not stationary, then the rubber pulley's position is misplaced, and that is why the RPM will never be accurate. So what I have to do, as because this is broken one and this is molded with this body, so I cannot do anything other than I have to fix something here with glue and put that spindle, small spindle here, and fix it. There is no other way. So I have to fix something here so that the spindle should not move right or left. Let's see what I can do. You can see now that I have fixed it here. I actually got the broken part inside this body, and with the help of Fevikwik I have fixed it, but I will not keep this one here like that. I will add some sort of other adhesive here to make it strong. Otherwise, when I will put the spindle inside, as because there is a spring here, so it will give some sort of pressure right and left when the RPM will be changed, so it might get break once again. So now I have fixed it with a Fevikwik, but I will not keep it like that. So hopefully I will be able to fix it, and till now I have fixed it very perfectly, I hope so. Now I will not attach this one here now. Once I glue it in proper manner, I will fix it here with that small spindle. This is the spindle about which I was talking about. As you can see, this is a small spindle which will be inserted inside this. Once it will be inserted here, then only this will work properly. Till then it won't work properly. So my first job is to insert this spindle here. Now you can see I have fixed it in proper manner. It has been fixed here with that small spindle. Now what will happen when I change the RPM? Let's check. This is how it works. And just see this spindle, this is going sometime down and sometime up. That means the position of the rubber pulley is sometimes up and sometimes down, with which it will come in contact with the step pulley, because the rubber pulley is fitted with this one. See this. See this. So this is the way through which this particular set works. Now we will check from the front what is happening with the rubber pulley. This is the rubber pulley, you can see. Now I am changing it to 45 RPM. You can see it has engaged itself with 45 RPM gauge of the step pulley. Now 33. Now amplifier. So this is how it works. So everything is precise. You cannot change it by your ways. It's an engineering, so you have to know how it works. This is 33. This is 45. These two speeds you can play from this turntable. This is 33 and this is 45. So now the mechanism comes right, and it will work in proper manner if the motor moves in a proper way. So this is a step pulley and this is a rubber pulley or the idler wheel. Now I will open this one and check the amplifier board, and I will replace the components which have gone bad. I will replace those. You can see now this is the audio board. I have replaced all the electrolytic capacitors as well as the PF type capacitors where it was required, because there are some capacitors which were actually broken. So I have replaced all with the original Philips type PF capacitors of exact value, and I have fixed the heatsink also with these ICs, because these are needed, otherwise the IC will blown out. So these are the protective covering for the IC. And I have also lubricated the volume controls and potentiometers, tone control, bass control, all these. Now it's time to just fix it here. I have already connected the wires which were earlier connected. Now I will fix it in this top and will test whether the audio is coming in perfect manner or not. Hopefully it should come. Let's check. You can see, friends, now I have changed the mains cord also. The reason behind that, the mains cord was internally disconnected. Now I will power it on. I have powered it on. You can see the light is glowing here, and I have connected my one box. I have one service box to one channel, the right channel, and I will tap the pickup. You can listen, the audio has came back. Now I will fix it to this one. This is the left one, and I will again try to, I have to check whether anything ground is connected to ground or not, otherwise it should not happen like that. Now I would like to show you the problem with one channel which was happening is due to this IC. You can see this is TBA 810S. This IC manufactured by RFT, but originally Philips uses the Hitachi company IC. So what I have done, I have replaced it with original Hitachi TDA 810, and once I replaced with the original IC, I found the sound problem of one channel resolved. This is the time to check the speed. This is the 45 RPM record. The speed is exact. Now I will play 133 RPM. This is the 33 RPM record. Absolutely okay. And I have lubricated this lever function also, the 45 RPM, 33 RPM, the amplifier section. I don't know whether I will be able to show it to you. I'm trying to do so. You can see that particular lever, so that I have also lubricated with the grease. So now the set is okay, and it's time for final testing before delivery. I will test it, and I will show you how it's working right now. Of course, I will not be able to test it with its original speakers. I don't have that. My client has not given it to me. But I will test with some other speakers of Philips maybe 633, which is right now with me. So I will test with that. So now it's the time for final music test. So this is the 33 RPM record. I am testing this record. After that I will deliver this set. So both the channels are working now. This is the right one and this is the left one. So friends, you have seen the experience of repairing and restoring this set. By the way, I just want to inform you that I had to change the cartridge also. The cartridge was also having some sort of issues inside with one channel. So I have replaced this with another old one that I had to also purchase, as because in these days these are not available easily. So once I put that cartridge, the new one, this is how it's playing, and hopefully we will be again with another video with a new set. Till then, bye, take care of yourself, and please, if you want, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care, goodbye.